All right, get to fly with Ricky.
Take off flat.
So I'll go a little bit behind you. I'll follow you around. Don't worry. I'll stick with you.
Guys.
Gear up. Flaps up.
I'm just gonna try to stay on your tail the whole time. Okay. Go ahead. I'll be behind you. There's Bob right there with you.
Pulling up and to the left.
Okay. Going to the left. I'll go with you. Big Bad Bob coming with us. You don't see me now, but you will in a minute. There I am.
I need the battery. Let's go straight up. Or you going
Well, go ahead. Go. I need to stay behind you. I wanted to clear Bob so I wouldn't get in his way. Do your thing. Don't worry about me. I'll stay on you. As long as I can see you, I'm good. I am. Tell me what you're gonna do, and I'll follow you.
I'm going to go straight up.
Go ahead.
And
Going
look back toward us.
Okay.
And then roll out to the.
Still behind you. Still right behind you.
Up again.
Okay.
Same thing.
Okay. Come back around behind you. Okay. I'm flying in quick on you this time. There we go. Had to pick up some speed.
Yes, sir.
There we go.
This thing like it's slowing down. I better bring her in, man. Something's not going right. After you land, I'm gonna come in.
Okay.
All right, landing. Landing.
Not quite. They'll be across by the time you're in.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Runway clear. Thank you.
There you go. I escorted you in.
That's what we do downtown, baby.
All right, fast, low pass from the left behind Robert. Actually, Robert, I'm just going to chase you. I'm chasing you.
30 seconds. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Time expired.
Go ahead. I'm going to pass you up and go in front. Doing a fast pass. There you go, Robert. Nice.
Gear down.
Okay, I'm landing from the right, from the left.
Landing flaps. One minute over.